En hulle wat? As ja, ticket. Yo, I ain't no average colored, I'm a capitalist colored. I suggest you get the book and try to get with it colored. School up and tuck your tool up or you mess with this colored. You got some money in your pocket, now you think you a thriller. You just mess with Ali, and I'm a thriller from Manila. Call me King Kong, I'm like a gorilla. But I ain't locked in a cage, I'm filled up with rage. I'm tired of making money off of minimum wage, man. Give me the mic and let me excite. Let me exercise my God-given lyrical right and give it to you colored brothers just how you like. I wonder if you even know what I be talking about. It's called the zeitgeist. Go on, read up on that ish. It's been coming along since the 1700s. They say knowledge is power, I say money is power. They be knowing the shit, but we still getting devoured, man. Our hands are tied by the federal banks, making money out of nothing. Hey G, thanks, now I can borrow some money and make a loan in the bank. Get trapped by the mother in cash tax. Can't keep head above water, brother, and sink or swim. The battle is tough, but we here to win. As I knock on the door, somebody better let me in before I tear the shit up and stop giving up and start acting corrupt like thy brother Jay-Z. Ja, die president van die party ANC. Ons op hier sy, hy skap as hy kan doen ons beekheid. Dis die man sommer alweer uit die dronkheid. Wat het geword van boet vir jou skuld, of is dit dan nou? Een 5 vir een 5, omdat Jay-Z nog een 5 vir sy skuld. Ja, het gaan alles vir geld, toe maak een verskil. Yo, het gaan alles vir geld, toe maak een verskil. Stop die geveld, sit jou gat in rug. Hou jou oor op jou schoolweek en so maak ons al weer die nasie steek. Maak een verskil in die liefde, of jy is niks weet. Yeah! That is always, man. That's all we do.